Throughout this program, you'll gain hands-on practice with detecting and responding to attacks, monitoring and protecting networks, investigating incidents, and writing code to automate tasks. The program is made up of several courses that are designed to help you land an entry-level job. You'll learn about topics like core security concepts, security domains, network security, computing basics, including Linux and SQL, along with understanding assets, threats, and vulnerabilities. Our goal is to help you reach your goal of joining the security industry. You'll learn about incident detection and response, as well as how to use programming languages like Python to accomplish common security tasks. You'll also gain valuable job search strategies that will benefit you as you begin to find and apply for jobs in the security profession. Completing this Google Career Certificate will help you develop skills and learn how to use tools to prepare you for a job in a fast-growing, high-demand field. The certificate is designed to prepare you for a job in 3 to 6 months if you work on the certificate part-time. And once you graduate, you can connect with over 200 employers who are interested in hiring Google Career Certificate graduates like you. Whether you're looking to switch jobs, start a new career, or level up your skills, this Google Career Certificate can open doors to new job opportunities. You don't need prior experience or knowledge in the security field because this certificate program will begin with the basics. I'll be by your side throughout this first course, making sure that you're learning the foundational knowledge needed to succeed in the field. This program is also flexible. You can complete all of the courses in this certificate on your own terms and at your own pace, online. We've gathered some amazing instructors to support you on your journey, and they'd like to introduce themselves now.
Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm a Customer Engineering Enablement Lead for Security Operations Sales at Google. I'll take you through security domains, frameworks and controls, as well as common security threats, risks, and vulnerabilities. You'll also be introduced to common tools used by security analysts. I can't wait to get started.
Hi there. My name is Chris, and I'm the Chief Information Security Officer for Google Fiber. I'm excited to talk to you about the structure of a network, network protocols, common network attacks, and how to secure a network.
Hi there. My name is Kim, and I'm a Technical Program Manager at Google. I will guide you through foundational computing skills that support the work of a security analyst. We'll also learn about operating systems, the Linux command line, and SQL.
Hi, my name is Sequisha, and I'm a security engineer at Google. Together we'll explore protecting organizational assets through a variety of security controls and develop a deeper understanding of risks and vulnerabilities.
Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm a Principal Security Strategist at Google. In our time together, we'll learn about detecting and responding to security incidents. You'll also have the chance to monitor and analyze network activity using powerful security tools.
Hello, I'm Angel, and I'm a security engineer at Google. We'll explore foundational Python programming concepts to help you automate common security tasks.
Hello, I'm Dion. I'm a program manager at Google. I'm your instructor for the first portion of the final course of the program. There, we'll discuss how to escalate incidents and communicate with stakeholders.
And my name is Emily. I'm a program manager at Google. I'll guide you through the final portion of the program and share ways that you can engage with the security community and prepare for your upcoming job search.
And as you already know, I'll guide you through the first course of this program. This is such a great time to grow your career in the field of security. Sound exciting? Let's get started.